This is a 2005 Toyota Tacoma X-Runner, one owner, 130,000 miles, in absolutely wonderful condition. Wow. One owner, meticulously maintained, amazing service records, in unbelievable condition. It has original VIN stickers on every single body panel. Super sharp truck. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Tonneau cover, sliding rear window. The original owner put seat covers on it the minute he got it. And I will show you the interior as we remove the seat covers. Unbelievably clean. The vehicle is running. Not a door ding or a scratch on this truck. Absolutely the cleanest X-Runner we have come across. And especially with the service records. Wow. Cloth interior, brand new. I have no other way to describe it. Carfax report, original floor mats, aftermarket radio, and he was anal, so he kept the original, which we have. 130,000 miles. When I say the interior is like new, it is literally like new. Smells new inside still. Unbelievable. Power windows, locks, mirrors. This is the extended cab. Incredible. This is a unicorn. Wow. All four doors open up. Alloy wheels, brand new tires. So this is a 2005 Toyota Tacoma Tacoma X-Runner, one owner, extended cab, four doors, needs absolutely nothing, in unbelievable condition.